How to create morphism effect on Figma. First thing we need to do is go to our frame panel, then select the frame we're going to use, type in our text, then create a button. Select this two and press Shift A, create an auto layout between them. Press this and also hit Shift A also to create an auto layout. Give it a fill, change the color of the text to white, give it corner radius of like 24, give it padding of 16 by 16. Now select both and hit Shift A again. Let's bring in a background, take it all the way back to bring in an image, a wristwatch image, and we're going to reduce the size, auto layout again, fill, and then we're going to give it a padding of 24 by 24 and make the space inside the frame to be 24 too, and then give this linear. We're going to adjust this so that it goes diagonally. We're going to give this color white and reduce the opacity to 20. Reduce the opacity of the first one to 50. Design a stroke, a white stroke, a linear white stroke, and then also do the same thing we did with our fill and reduce the opacity by 30 and maybe this one by 70. Let's not forget we're going to give our design a border radius of 24. I'd like to give this a fill too. Take the fill behind the image, give it a white fill. Like to make this fill container, probably increase the size a bit, make this hug content, reduce it, give this a border radius of 24. Now we're going to give it a background blur of like 10. Let's give it 20. Let's try and increase the thickness of this font to gold. Okay, also a drop shadow. Reduce the opacity of the drop shadow and increase the blur size of the drop shadow, let's say by 22. Let's just leave it this way. We'll just make tiny adjustments and let's increase the border radius of the button to 32. Give this also probably a width of 300 and this a width of 300, and put this to fill container. Let's not forget that our auto layout is very crucial and important to making this look good. And here we have our glass morphism effect on Figma. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and also apply this effect to anything that you want to do. So here we go, our glass morphism effects. Kudos.